الله عليك عظيما صدق الله العظيم. Honorable and respected President, Secretary, Educationist and others, particularly the organized by Maulana Mufti Abdul Mateen Sahib, who is General Secretary of All India Sunnatul Jamaat. I pay my heartiest homage to all famous figures. I am thankful to the organizer who has given me an opportunity to deliver my lecture on the improvement of education of the Muslim community. We know that education is means